Hello, hello, my lovely grade 3 girls. I miss you so much. I don't know how I don't give you sessions and how the sessions ended for now, but I'm sure I will be with you next year. I hope to because I will miss you so much, all of you. Now I will give you a review questions with answers for the exam, and I will do another video about the pointers, the book pointers, all the pages, which is very important. Also in the vacation, I will do videos to step up for grade 4 and summary for multiplication and division and so many things because I cannot stay away from you. I miss you so much. So I'm with you also in the discussion rooms, in mailbox. Send me anytime, any question. Okay, so let's start, my lovely girls. I will show you now the questions and answers, the very important questions for summary of uh, our semester. The first question, which time is different from the others? Okay, so we have here quarter to 4. So we have 15 minutes to 4. What is the meaning of quarter? Quarter means 15 minutes. I hope you write after me. And this is very important information, not only for the exam. I'm telling you, I don't give you information for the exam. No, for everything in math and in your life. This is clock reading, so you have to know it very well. So we have quarter to 4. Quarter to 4 equals to what? 15 minutes to 4. 15 minutes, then after 15 minutes we will get to 4. Okay, what else here? 4, 3, this is, where is the clock arm? The clock arm here, this is the clock arm. It is before 4. So yes, we are before 4. How many before 4? We are, let me see, at the 9. And the 9 is how many minutes? Let's see here. The 9 is 5, 10, 15 minutes to 12 to get here to the 12. So yes, it's also quarter to 4. 15 minutes from here to get to 4. So yes. Okay, let's go and see here. It is 3:45. Yes, it is after 3:45 minutes because here is, this is 15, and all here is what? Let's count. 1, 2. Let me color it in another color. Okay. So I have 1, 2. Count by what? By 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I have how many? I have 45 minutes. I have how many? I have 45 minutes. So, okay, my lovely girls. So what is the 45 minutes? 45 minutes means that this arm is on the 9. That's 45 minutes. So, yes, this is quarter to 4 equals to this and equals to 3:45. After 3:45 minutes, it is equal to 3:15. No, because 3:15 will be at 3 both, like this. See, this is the clock and here is the 3. Here is the 3 and the 2 arms will be here at the 3. This is the hours and this is the minutes, will be both at 3. Okay, let me show you on the scale. So I will show you now an app, and also in the vacation I will play with you in videos. I will put in this videos I sent here. I will play with you these hours and the apps of so many things and fractions. It will be so fun, and we can play Kahoot also. So see here, this is a clock. So if I want to write 3:15, so 15 minutes, this is 5. Let me write a dialogue also. Okay, so this is 12:05, right? No, I wanted 3. So bring this on 3. Okay, so this is 3 exactly. 3 and 0 minutes. If I want 15, 3:15, 5. This is 5, 10, 15. So this is 3:15. This is 3:15. Let's go and see here. So this is 3:15? No, so this is the different. So number D is the right answer. Number D is the right answer. Let's go and see here. I hope you are seeing the screen well. Okay, let's complete here. Number 2. And let's see. A building is 872 feet tall. We have the length. Mr. Hernandez rounded the number to the nearest hundred. What number did Mr. Hernandez use? Okay, you remember rounding. Okay, let's go and see rounding. What do we mean? So what do I mean by rounding? Okay, when I talk to you about rounding, you have to know something called place value. Something called what? Place value. I want all of you to draw this after me. Okay, so you will draw a chart and you have here, this is what? If you have 3,300. The first 0 is ones. The second number is tens. The third number is hundreds. The fourth number is thousands. Okay, let's see this sheet. If I want to round hundreds, I want all of you to write these numbers in black, round them, then go back, then click on the video and see the numbers in red. So if I want to round 178 to the nearest 100, I will ask the tens digit value. Hello 7, how are you? How many are you, greater than 5 or smaller than 5? No, I'm greater than 5. So 7 will give 1 a push. So 1 will be 2, and 7 and 8 will go back home, bring back 0. If I have 608, what is the tens digit? It's 8. So 8 will ask, what is the tens digit? Is 0. So 6 will ask 0, are you a strong number or weak number? No, 0 is weak. So 6 will stay as it is and bring back 0. It will go back home, bring back 0. Let's see 474. Let me write it with you one by one. So we have here 474. What is the ones digit? This is the ones digit. This is the ones digit. Where is the tens digit? This is the tens digit. Place value. Where is the hundreds digit? Here is the hundreds digit. Okay, so if I want to round, I did a video before about rounding. Okay, maybe you will go and see it again. So when I round to the nearest 100, I look at the tens digit. So let me go round to the nearest 100. 447 to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100, I will look at the tens digit value 7. Hello 7, are you greater than 5 or smaller than 5? If it is greater than 5, it will give 4 a push. So 4 will be 5. 4 plus 1 equal 5. So it will be 5. 7 and 4 will go back home, bring back 0. So 7 and 4 will be 0, 0. So the nearest 100 is 500. Okay, if I want to the nearest tens, I will look at the ones digit. So if I ask you to the nearest 100, you have to change for me the hundredth digit if the tenth digit is greater than 5. If I ask you to change to the nearest tens, you will look at the ones digit. If the ones digit, like here, smaller than 5, so 7 will stay as it is. So to the nearest tens, see, to the nearest tens, what will be the answer? 4 is the same because the hundred 4 is the same because we will not change the 4, the hundreds, because we are rounding to the nearest tens. 7 will change. I don't know. We will ask the ones digit. What is the ones digit for? Smaller than 5? Yes. Smaller than 5. So 7 will stay as it is, but 4 will go back home, bring back 0. It will be 470. So to the nearest tens is different than to the nearest hundreds. Okay, and you have to also draw this chart to know ones, tens, and hundreds. I will show you another sheet so you will answer it also. Here is the rule for rounding. Numbers ending in zeros, tens, 20s, 30s, 40s get rounded down. Why? Because 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Numbers ending in 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. So it is greater than 5, equal to 5 or greater than 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's rounded up. 237, it ends in what? 30. 3 in the tens digit, 3. So it is rounded down. It will be 200. 874, rounded to the nearest 100. 7 is greater than 5, so 8 will be 9, and 7 4 go home and bring back 0. 536, 5, the 3 is smaller than 5, so it will be 500. 350, 5 equals to 5, so it will be rounded up here. It's in the 5, it will be rounded up. Okay, so don't do this now, only see this side. Okay, so now let's go back to our questions and answers. So if he asks me to round 872, let's go round it after I explained rounding. So 872, let me draw it. Where is the ones digit value? Here is the ones digit value. Where is the tens digit value? Here is the tens digit value. When he asks me to round to the nearest hundreds, I look at the tens digit value. Where is the hundreds digit value? This is the hundreds digit value. Place value. So what will change to the nearest 100? The 8 will change. It will stay 8 or will be 9. How? We will ask the tens. Hello 7, how are you? Are you greater than 5? So 8 will be 9. Or are you smaller than 5? Weak number. So 8 will stay as it is. No, I am a strong number. I'm 7, greater than 5. So 8 will be 9. So the right answer is 900 because 8 will be 9. 8 will be 9. 7 will and 2 will go back home, bring back 0. Okay, my lovely girls, so the answer is 900. Let's go back to number 3 and see which is the missing number in the pattern below. This is a very important concept. What is the steps of answering this question? I will ask myself first, am I leveling up or down? Am I doing plus or minus? 49 is smaller than 56, so I am minusing. Okay, so the first thing I use minus. Minus what? Minus how much? I will do 56 minus 49, so I will get, or I count after 56, after 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So I am minusing by 7. So if I want to know this number, I will take this 49 minus 42 equal, sorry, minus 7 equal, 9 minus 7 is 2, so it is 42. Okay, my lovely girls, let's complete here. A pumpkin pie is divided into 8 equal parts. Which unit fraction represent each part? So if I have these parts, how many parts? 8, so the fraction 1 out of 8. Let's complete. Deborah is painting a mural that's 8 feet long and 3 feet wide. What is the area of the mural? The mural looks like a rectangle. So if I have a rectangle with 8 feet, okay, so here is 8 feet long, length equal 8 feet, and width equal 3 feet. So the area equal length multiply width equal 8 multiply 3. Okay, my lovely girls, so the answer here is 8 multiply 3. I don't think it's 11. No, it is 24, my lovely girls. The answer is 24. Let's go here to this question. An airplane landed at 3:55, so it is greater than 3 already. Without I complete the question, it's greater than 3. Does the clock show the time the airplane landed? Explain. Of course not, because it is smaller than 3. It didn't come to 3 yet here. So the answer is no, it is 2:55. It's after 2:55 minutes. Okay, number 7. Choose the correct answer. 7:39. Which one is 7:39? Which one is after 7? This clock is already before 7. I need the after. So it is the first one. Okay, this question is very important. What did George buy at the sale? If $19 plus $19 plus $19 plus $18 stands for the total cost of his purchase. So how much is the blanket? Is 19, so we bought 3 items of 19, so it's blanket plus blanket plus blanket plus scarf. Oh, I'm so sorry. So of course it's 3 blankets plus 1 scarf. Time can be measured in minutes and hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Half an hour is 30 minutes. A quarter hour is 15 minutes. Half past the hour is half of it. We said the half is 30 minutes. The half is 30 or 20? No, the half is 30 minutes. What's wrong? Number 10. Okay. Of course, this we took before and I told you to draw it to know the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So count by 5s from 12 to 7. It is 35 minutes, of course. Place and place value. If this is 4,017, what's the place value of 4? If this is ones, tens, hundreds, this is of course thousands or 10,000s. No, it is thousands. Okay, number 12. This concept is very important of adding fractions. We took adding fractions, so 4 out of 10. So we have 2 options, 1 out of 10 plus 3 out of 10, which is if I have same denominator, so the numerators we add them. So 1 plus 3 equal 4, 2 plus 4 equals 6. So this is 6 out of 10, this is 4 out of 10. Of course, it is the first one. Number 13. Also concept of adding fractions. If I have the same denominator, number down, we add the number up. 2 plus 5 equal 7 out of 9. Okay. How many zeros? How many zeros will be in the product of 5 multiplied 200? 5 multiplied 2, of course, equals to 10. And I have two zeros, so this is 10 and two zeros, which is 1000, which is three zeros, of course, not two zeros. Don't confuse answer and don't submit before revising so many times. Of course, we have so many things to study. I know this is the quiz, the revision questions, very important revision questions, and I will do another video for the math book, okay, for the important pages to study, which is in the pointers, which we already solved, and all the pages on the discussion room. Okay, but I will try to do another video for that pages, and any question, I'm there for you. Okay, here, this concept, he's asking you 7 multiplied 3 is what? 21 or 12? 21. 7 multiplied 30, it is 21, but we put 0. 7 multiplied 300, it is 21, and we put 20. Don't forget the comma. If I have 7 multiplied 3000, it's also 21, but 3 zeros. You see, when this is the right answer. When you add zeros, it's very easy. Very easy. Okay, my lovely girls. The next question. Find the product of, it's the same concept, you see, it's not different. So you will do 3 multiply 4, 3 multiply 40, 3 multiply 400, which is 12, 120, and 1200. Okay, this concept. So we have something called what? We have something called obtuse angle, straight angle, acute angle, right angle. Obtuse, which is like this, greater than 90. Straight angle like this, it's 0 angle. Okay, acute angle is like this, smaller than 90. Right angle is like this, it is 90. So is this right? Yes, it's true. I want you to write it down, write the names of the angles, put it beside your bed so you will never forget it, because all of these questions you will need it in grade 4 also. Very important concept. Grade 3 is very important in math. You have to know every question and never forget it. Okay, this question he is asking you, if the geometric term describes HGL, we have obtuse angle, straight angle, acute, and right. HGL, this angle is what? Is smaller than 90, which is acute angle, which is number B. Okay. This is 2/3 is what, and 2/2. Let's go, it's very easy. This we took it so many times. Okay, so if I have, this is 1/3 and 1/3, so this is 2/3. And I have half. So I have half and 2/3, which is longer, greater. 2/3, of course, is greater than half. Okay, and this fraction of homework completed, Greg, Steven, Samara, Edwin, Brittany, and he's asking about students in third grade class, Upload Elementary, are doing their homework. The table shows how many each student has completed. So far, has Greg or Edwin completed the greater fraction of his homework? So Edwin is 5/6 and Greg is 4/6. So the answer is Edwin, of course. So this was the important questions. I want you as a revision to solve it, and good luck. I miss you so much, and I want you all to get full mark. Any questions sent to me, I will do another video for book pages and the pointers. We will solve them together also. and I'm sure all of you did solve them with me in the session. Thanks for your beautiful moms and their support. I miss them all also. I'll see you. Bye.